Welcome to the channel. Today, we're looking at the Legrand On-Q 14-inch media enclosure, a game changer for cable management. This isn't just a box, it's a sleek, glossy white solution designed to seamlessly integrate into your wall. Made from durable 20-gauge cold-rolled steel, this enclosure offers exceptional strength and longevity. The flanged screw-on cover hides drywall openings for a professional, clean finish. It even includes a handy literature pouch. Installation is a breeze, thanks to drywall depth indicators ensuring precise placement. It offers both flush and surface mounting options, making it adaptable to various setups. Need more space? On-Q offers this enclosure in multiple sizes to fit your exact needs, all with generous 2.5-inch top openings for easy wire pulling. Inside, you'll find built-in standoffs for better ventilation and easier surface mounting. Bottom knockouts simplify power additions, and multiple side cable lances offer flexible routing options. It's compatible with many third-party security controllers. The patented mounting system offers versatile module mounting options. This enclosure is perfect for organizing a structured wiring system, consolidating your cables neatly and professionally. This American-made product comes with a 1-year warranty, giving you peace of mind. It's received overwhelmingly positive reviews, praising its build quality, ease of installation, and excellent cable management capabilities. It's available at a reasonable price and highly rated for its functionality and clean look. Don't let tangled wires ruin your home's aesthetic. Upgrade to the Legrand On-Q media enclosure today. Remember to like this video and subscribe for more home improvement tips and reviews.